Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best iRobot parts are probably one of the most crucial components to consider when maintaining the peak performance of your beloved Roomba, ensuring it continues to navigate your home with efficiency and precision, picking up dust and debris as effectively as the day you first unboxed it, and prolonging the lifespan of your investment for years to come. Number 5. iRobot Roomba E.I. Series Replenishment Kit. Ensure your Roomba E.I. or J Series robot performs at its best with this authentic replenishment kit. It contains everything you need for regular maintenance. This kit includes 3 high-efficiency filters designed to trap 99% of pet dander and allergens. Replacing them regularly maintains optimal suction power. Tackle dirt and debris in corners and along edges with 3 specially designed edge-sweeping brushes. They effectively sweep debris into the cleaning path for powerful suction. Experience consistent cleaning on both carpets and hard floors with the dual multi-surface rubber brushes. They are designed to resist hair tangles and maintain effective debris pickup. Using iRobot genuine parts ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. These parts are manufactured to iRobot's exact specifications for reliable operation. This kit is designed for Roomba E.I. and J Series robots, as well as the combo i5 and J5 series. Please check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This is the official replenishment kit from iRobot, ensuring perfect compatibility and peak performance for your Roomba E.I. and J series. It includes everything you need for regular maintenance, from filters to brushes. If you prioritize maintaining your robot's original performance and want the peace of mind that comes with using genuine parts, this kit is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Everything fit correctly, installed easily, and worked just like the originals. The replacement parts are of high quality, matching the original components that came with my Roomba. The filters, brushes, and other parts are durable and fit seamlessly into my vacuum, restoring its performance to optimal levels. 3 high-efficiency filters, designed to trap 99% of pet dander and allergens, ensuring cleaner air and a healthier environment. 3 edge-sweeping brushes, effectively clean corners and edges, reaching areas that are typically hard to access. 1 set of dual multi-surface rubber brushes. These brushes are excellent for picking up pet hair and debris, and they require less maintenance than traditional bristle brushes. Number 4. Improvedhand filters for iRobot Roomba E.I. and J series. These high-efficiency filters are designed to perfectly fit your iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaners from the E.I. and J series. They are compatible with a wide range of models, ensuring a seamless replacement experience. Experience a cleaner home with our replacement filters. They effectively capture 99.9% of fine dust, dirt, and hair as small as 0.1 microns. For best results, clean them regularly and replace every 2 months. No tools are needed for a hassle-free installation. Simply remove the old filter and replace it with the new one in just a few minutes. This saves you time and energy, allowing you to get back to cleaning faster. This cost-effective package includes 6 replacement filters and a bonus cleaning brush. You'll have plenty of filters on hand, so you never have to worry about running out. Our vacuum filter replacements are made from high-strength, eco-friendly materials. They are built to ensure optimal performance and contribute to a healthier living environment for you and your family. We are committed to providing you with the best experience. If you have any questions about quality or compatibility, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. Looking for a budget-friendly way to keep your Roomba running smoothly? This package offers a generous 6 high-efficiency filters, plus a bonus cleaning brush. If you want to stock up on essential filters and save money, this cost-effective option is perfect for you, especially if you have a busy household with frequent cleaning needs. What people say. These fit perfectly in my E6 Roomba. Seem to be same as OEM quality and don't lessen the vacuum ability at all. It still cleans the carpet as good or better than any vacuum I've ever had. These replacement filters fit my Roomba i7 Plus perfectly and were super easy to swap out. I run the vacuum almost daily with kids and a dog, and these filters keep the airflow strong and the dust down. They look and feel just like the originals, which cost a lot more. The little cleaning brush that comes with them is a nice bonus too. Fit perfectly in my Roomba as a replacement. The quality and value is good compared to the higher price name brand replacement parts. The parts were easy to install. Number 3. iRobot Roomba Authentic Replacement Dual Multi-Surface Rubber Brushes. Tired of pet hair tangles? Our unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes are designed to resist tangles, keeping your robot running smoothly. These brushes adjust and flex to maintain constant contact with all your floor types. They hug carpets and hard floors to thoroughly clean every inch. One brush loosens dirt while the other pulls it in, working together for a superior clean. Say goodbye to mist dirt and hello to spotless floors. Ensure optimal performance by using genuine replacement parts. They are manufactured to exact specifications for a perfect fit and seamless operation. Unlike non-genuine parts, our authentic accessories are made with quality materials and rigorous control. Trust iRobot for the best in floor care. This package includes one set of dual multi-surface brushes. Keep your robot performing at its best with these essential components. What we like. Tired of pet hair tangling your Roomba's brushes? These authentic iRobot dual multi-surface rubber brushes are specifically designed to resist pet hair entanglement. If you're a pet owner and want to ensure your robot can effectively clean without constant brush maintenance, these are the brushes you need. What people say. After installing the new brushes and filters, my Roomba is picking up way more dust and pet hair again, it works like new. These work. I don't get any errors and they work much better at picking up smaller debris than the aftermarket. They install easily and fit perfectly, make less noise, last longer, and don't mess up docking. Number 2. iRobot Roomba I, E and J Series Replacement Parts. Ensure a perfect fit for your iRobot Roomba I, E, and J Series vacuums. These parts are designed to seamlessly integrate with models like the i7, i3, i4, i6, i8, and J7 series. Experience superior cleaning with our multi-surface rubber brushes and HEPA filters. They effectively capture debris, dust, and pet hair, while the side brushes reach deep into corners for a thorough clean. Our advanced HEPA filters are designed to block up to 99.97% of microscopic particles, including pollen and dust as small as 0.3 microns. Regularly replace your parts to maintain optimal suction power and extend the life of your robot. We recommend replacing edge brushes and filters every 2 to 3 months, and rubber brushes every 6 months. This comprehensive kit provides excellent value, including multi-surface brushes, HEPA filters, side brushes, and essential cleaning tools. Keep your robot running smoothly with this affordable maintenance solution. What we like. This kit provides a fantastic value, bundling multiple essential replacement parts for your Roomba I, E, and J series. It includes filters, side brushes, and multi-surface rubber brushes, all designed for high-efficiency cleaning. If you're looking for an affordable, all-in-one solution to maintain your robot's cleaning power, this super affordable kit is an excellent option. What people say. Been using these daily for a while now and they're holding up great. I replaced my old torn rollers and the Roomba runs much quieter now. All the parts fit perfectly, and they even throw in a small screwdriver for the side brush replacements. Works perfectly for a Roomba. Don't need to get the parts from Roomba, you get 14 replacement parts for the price of one. Number 1. iRobot Roomba EIJ Series Replacement Parts. Keep your robot vacuum running smoothly with this comprehensive set of replacement parts. It includes everything you need to maintain peak performance. These parts are designed to fit a wide range of iRobot Roomba models, including the E, I, and J series. Please check the description for a full list of compatible models. Experience superior cleaning with our premium brushes and filters. They effectively capture dirt, dust, and debris, even in hard-to-reach areas, for a healthier home. Replacing these parts is simple and quick. Regular replacement ensures your device continues to operate at its best, making cleaning effortless. We're here to help if you have any questions or concerns. Our customer support is available to ensure you're completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like. For those who want to minimize interruptions and maximize cleaning, this extensive replacement kit is a game changer. It includes a large quantity of filters, side brushes, and even dust bags, along with the rubber brushes. If you have a large home, multiple pets, or simply want to avoid frequent reordering, this comprehensive pack with convenient dust bags is the perfect choice for extended, hassle-free cleaning. What people say. The brushes are easy to install and fit perfectly. The filter effectively captures dust and debris, keeping the air clean. The side brushes reach deep into corners and along edges to pick up more dirt. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.